It's like an animal in the street. Look at this. What the fuck is this? What the hell is that? That thing is so cute. What is that? It's a Pikachu or something. Pikachu is like in the motherfucking street. That was so motherfucking cool. I just seen Pikachu. Pokemon. You hear me? Pokemon. I just wanted to see it. It was so cute. That is cute. That is cute. Look at it. Hold on, wait. Wait a minute. Y'all, wait. What the hell is this? What kind of fucking animal is that in the fucking street? Y'all see this? What the fuck is that? That is a big ass bird. I just want to see what it is. I'm just like, oh, let me go.